Okay.
But we'll have all that coming up in just a little bit.
And Nikki D knows her stuff because, as you know, she's also from Alabama.
Oh, yeah.
And because of that, her family doesn't really get a chance to see her on the news here.
But her grandfather got a big surprise on his birthday.
Happy birthday, Snooks. I love you so much. Thank you for your godly example. I'll see you in April.
Oh, did you hear it, Dad?
Oh, with the help of some of our floor crew here, she recorded a special message for his 90th birthday, which aired on our sister station in Huntsville, where Nikki D was once an intern.
Thank you for your godly.
They were very happy, weren't they?
Oh my goodness, there's my Snooks right there. Yes, he turned 90 years old yesterday, and my Gugu will turn 88. We call her Foxy because she's foxy.
Oh.
Let me tell you, Gugu goes nowhere without her lipstick. She said, well, when Jesus comes, I want to make sure I look good.
Where does Snooks come from?
Snooks, that is actually a really funny thing. We actually tried to go back and figure that out. Remember, I am the next to youngest out of 9 grandchildren. We can't figure it out. But I am the only one that calls him Snooks. Everyone calls him Nooks. But I always just put a little S on there. But a huge thank you to Denise Vickers, everyone at 19, Jerry Hayes for helping us, and of course Cheryl Barnhouse, our news director, and everyone in the studio. It meant the world to my grandfather.
Yes.
Okay, you guys know about Smart Water, right? You know, sometimes it's flavored.